really good. All right. Was really good, future. All my day ones. Welcome back to the channel. Recap of the last 12 hours. What happened last night? Yeah, last night we actually forgot to take my vitamins.
Just push lock. Let me go to my car.
Taking some vitamins here. CLA biotin.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I was thinking of a series. Talking to the camera. I was thinking about a series and spoke with the boys, and they think that a Boba series would be pretty sufficient, and I'm gonna call it Boba Ventures. What do you think about that name, bro?
I don't think you could come up with a better name at all.
Boba Ventures?
Yeah.
So the hopes and goals for this Boba Ventures vlog is to give exposure to all the plentiful boba spots in LA. I think that's a good thing.
I think it's a great thing.
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah, it's a great thing for sure.
It's a good pitch.
There's too many to go to experience it this time.
And like, where are we going to right now, Dennis?
Roasting Water.
I've never heard of that. Roasting Water. And right across the street, they got one called Share Tea. You see,
I think Share Tea is actually good too, but
see,
no,
I wouldn't
focus.
I personally wouldn't know because I've never been there. So Boba Ventures it is. So, quick question, boys. What qualifies a good boba?
Well, ask the Boba King who's in the front seat.
Softballs.
Softballs.
All right, for me, it has to be the
cool containers.
The tea to the boba ratio.
Up to the containers. It has to.
If you get to the bottom of the drink and there is no boba left, that was a bad boba drink.
Yeah.
You think so?
I agree. A lot of these cuts off over there.
Thank you, sir. So here are their cup presentations.
All about presentation, bro. They can give me a cup of water.
There was no boba today, but look at this. Despite that, they didn't have any boba today.
Freaking good though.
But I really do like what it comes in. So I'll give them about a 7/10. It would have been a 10/10 if there was boba in here. That's really good.
It's good, right?
It'd be a lot better with boba. How is it?
Really good.
It would be better if there was boba, right?
There was boba. I think it goes well with lychee jelly. Yours.
Yeah. All right, guys. I am impressed by the presentation. And apparently every month, like as Dennis said, they have a new bottle. And the cool thing is you can reuse this thing, man. Just give me my water bottle now. And yeah.
And it's still $5. Didn't realize how much presentation
Dude, this was only $5. The only problem was they didn't have any boba. That's like my. I'm sorry, dude. I can't get over the fact that they didn't have boba.
Boba Venture out of the Boba Venture.
So that means we have to redeem ourselves tonight. Actually, the whole point of this day was to come out here at the OC and pick up Dennis's car. He didn't even wait for us. He's like, peace.
Left us.
We'll see you at home. Oh man. Alright. Well, looks like we're gonna go get more boba later. So
Boba Ventures begin!
Later.
Alright, so we were supposed to get boba, but instead we're gonna use what we did earlier today. And I'm gonna bring it back to the old school style of Genesis vlogs. I'm gonna end this video off with a workout montage. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, deuces, and all the other bullshit.
They can try and make us fall apart. They can try and make us change within. They'll never see how strong these feelings are. They'll never see how much we won't give in. Oh, I know they won't douse the fire. Oh, They can't rock with us, there's no stopping us. We got this love thing locked in a cage. They can't break us up, wish them the best of luck. Nothing but shaking us or breaking our faith.